afternoon, beautiful YouTube family. How y'all doing? This is Old Red coming at ya. What we're gonna do today, and we are 8 days away from St. Patrick's Day, I'm gonna show you today how to make a brine that is going to be infused with Guinness so that we can make corned beef. Let's get to it, y'all. So you're gonna wanna start this about 7 to 10 days in advance of whenever you wanna do it, because you need time for that brisket flat to brine perfectly so you can get that good color and that good flavor for your corned beef. We're gonna do something very interesting. We're gonna take 4 of these 14.9 fluid ounce Guinness Stouts, and we're going to put them over here on the stove along with some other ingredients, which I'm gonna put all the list of ingredients in the show more description that we're gonna be using today to do this brine. Today, I also have a 6.9 pound brisket flat that I bought from Wegmans. And what we're gonna do is we've got it nice and trimmed up, took away almost all the fat because we don't need that right now. We're going to get the items on the stove and let's get the brine going so that we can get it cooled down, get the brisket back into the refrigerator. I'm gonna do this for 7 days. So stick with me, guys. If you guys are liking what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to consider being a subscriber and click that old subscribe button. Follow us on this journey of barbecue and pizza and love and family and passion, y'all. So first thing, what we're gonna do is take this last Guinness, this 4th Guinness, and go ahead and get it into the pot. I also have 2 liters of water standing by, along with 1 quart of ice to get this cooled down quicker. We are going to take 1.5 cups of kosher salt. We're gonna take 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We're gonna do 4 teaspoons of curing salt. That'll give it its nice pink color. And 1/4 cup of pickling spices. And all we're gonna do now is lastly add 4 cloves of minced garlic. Take your whisk and go ahead and whisk it nicely until all of the brown sugar and salt completely dissolve. And we'll check back in once that's done. So we've now got everything nice and combined. No more granulars there at the bottom. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this cooled down and let's get this brisket in there, brining. All right. Here we go. As old Sal says, fire in the hole. Because we got some of these pickling spices in here, I simply took some of the 2 liters of water that we're going to put in here and put it in the pan to get the rest of the pickling spices out of there. Now we're also going to add 1 liter of ice to help cool down. All right, let's let that cool down, guys. All right, let's check to see how we're looking. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, so now that that's nice and cool, what you want to do is stir it up one more time. Make sure you get everything kind of mixed in there, rolling around. And let's get this beautiful brisket flat in there. Make sure it's nice and submerged, guys. There we go. Just like that. All right. Now we're gonna put the lid back on here, get this into the refrigerator for 7 days. And I'm gonna take a look at it. If I need to turn it every other day, that's what I'm gonna do. It's that simple, guys. I'm gonna put this downstairs into the refrigerator and get this brine relaxing for 7 days. I may just take a look at it every other day and turn it around, make sure it's fully submersed and we're looking good. We will see. Oh my good, look at this. Oh. Thanks, sweetheart, that's beautiful. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're new to this video. And up next, after the brine, is going to be how do we cook corned beef. Let's roll, y'all. Remember, life is about love, family, passion, and barbecue, y'all.